of Marfa, Texas say the phenomenon, simply known as the Marfa ghost lights, are occurring at an astounding rate over the last few months. Witnesses report seeing white, blue, and red orbs of light dangle and dance above the Chinati Mountains for several minutes before quickly disappearing into the blackness of the Chihuahuan Desert. Although the lights have been visible for over 100 years, their origin remains a mystery.
Oh my God. What are they doing to me?
Oh, Anna!
Sonny?
So glad
I
you're here.
thought you were dead.
I can do this.
That was too loud. It's focused. You can do this, Anna. This hurts so bad. Wait, what's that? I can use this. A knife, maybe. Oh, thank God. This will help the pain. Shit. You get away from me! I gotta be more quiet. Oh, it's open. Get through. Are they gone? I think I'm okay. For now. There's gotta be something I can use around here. Oh, it's blocked. Good. It's open. That's not gonna work. I should see what that is.